What's up guys, welcome to our channel Anime Fever. I'm always posting top 10 new anime lists, so if you're new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. And if you really find this video enjoyable, show your love by liking and commenting. It's also motivate me to keep uploading new videos. Okay friends, let's get started. Top 10 anime married couple in the end. Okay friend, let's get started. Number 10. The World Code Only Knows 2013 Season 3 Episode 36 dubbed Just. The genre is comedy, harem, romance, shonen, supernatural. Keima Kasuragi is an avid Galge gamer known at his school as Odagama and on the internet the capturing god. One day he receives an email offering him a contract to capture girls. He accepts thinking it is a challenge and a demon from hell named Elsie appears. She asks for his help in capturing runaway spirits that are hiding in real girls. He refuses, stating he only liked the girls from the game, and she tells him that if he refuses, then both of their heads will be cut off. Number 9. Mirai Nikki 2011 Season 1 Episode 26 dubbed Yes. The genre is action, psychological, supernatural, thriller, mystery. Yukiteru always rejects offer to go out with friends, preferring to spend the time writing a diary on his cell phone. He has what he believes is an imaginary friend called Deus Ex Machina. However, one day Deus asks him to play a survival game along with the 11 others. The winner becomes the next Deus Ex Machina. In order to win, the contestant must use their diary of the future to eliminate one another. For Yukiteru to survive, he must team up with another diary holder, a girl named Yuno. Number 8. Mayochiki 2011 Season 1 Episode 13 dubbed Yes. The genre is harem, comedy, romance, ichi school. Due to his mother and sister who both love professional wrestling, Kinizuru Sakamachi developed a resilient body that could take hard punches, aggressive kicks and even deadly vehicle bumps in order to survive their various grappling positions and locks. However, he has also developed gynophobia, an abnormal fear of women. With just one touch from a girl, his nose bleed uncontrollably, he sweats excessively and in rare cases faint. His life changes for the worse because of a fated meeting in the restroom. While trying to escape from a girl, he discovered that the most popular student in their school, Subaru Kane, the butler of the headmaster's daughter, Kanade Sujo Tsuki, is actually a female. Surprised, Subaru violently assaults Kinizuru, dealing significant damage and knocking him unconscious. When he comes to, he meets Kanade in exchange for his silence. She promises to help cure his phobia. Number 7. Black Butler 2008 Season 3 Episode 46 dubbed Yes. The genre is action, comedy, historical, demon, superpower, supernatural, shonen. In Victorian era Europe, a young boy loses everything he once held near and dear to a vicious plot. In his moment of death, he strikes a deal with a demon in exchange of his soul. Shield Phantom Hive is now the head of the Phantom Hive Corporation, handling all business affairs as well as the underground work for the Queen of England. His new partner is a demon butler, Sebastian Michaels, whose power as a butler is only surpassed by his host strength. The story follows the two along with their servant as they work to unravel plot behind Seal's parent murder and the horrendous tragedies that befall Shale in the month directly after. Number 6. Tasugi ka Kirei 2017 Season 1 Episode 13 dubbed Yes. The genre is romance school. Kotaru Azumi and Akane Mizuno became third-year student at junior high school and a classmate for the first time. These two, along with fellow classmate Chinatsu Nisho and Takakumi Hira, relate to their peers through mutual understanding and feelings. As their final years at junior high school progresses, the group overcome their challenges to mature and became aware of changes in themselves. Number 5. Grand Cast Senki 2018 Season 1 Episode 24 dubbed Yes. The genre is action, drama, fantasy, romance. On a continent ruled by Chos, and the lords have the power of a holy seal that can calm the Chos and protect the people. However, before anyone realizes it, the rulers can cast aside their grade of purifying the jaws and instead to start fight each other for each other holy seals to gain dominion over one another. Shuruka, an isolated mage who scorns the Lord for abandoning their creed, and wandering knight named Theo, who is on journey to one day liberate his town home, make an everlasting oath to work together to reform this continent dominated by wars and chores. Number 4. Glenard 2007 Season 2 Episode 47 Dub Yes. The genre is slice of life, comedy, romance, supernatural, school, drama. Tomoya Okazaki is a third-year high school student. Resentful of his life, his mother passed away from a car accident when he was younger, causing his father to resort on alcohol and gambling. This resulted in fight between the two until Tomoya's shoulder is injured in a fight. Since then, Tomoya has distant relationship with his father, causing him to become a delinquent over time. While on a walk to school, he meets a strange girl named Nagashika Furukawa, who is a year older, but is repeating due to illness. Due to this, she is often alone as most of her friends have moved on. The two begin hanging out, and slowly, as time goes past by, Tomoya finds his life shifting in a new direction. Number 3. The World is Still Beautiful 2014 Season 1 Episode 12 Dub No. The genre is adventure, romance, fantasy, shoujo. Nike, the fourth princess of Rain, took home, and one who wields the power to call the fourth Rain, travels to the Sun Kingdom to marry Sun King Levius for her country despite her own reluctance. She soon discovered that the king who conquered the world in only 3 years after his ascent to the throne is still a child. Furthermore, for tribal reasons, he has demanded that Nikki call the fourth Rain. Number 2. Itazura na Case 2008 Season 1 Episode 25 Dub No. The genre is comedy, romance, shoujo school. It was love at first sight for Aihara Kotoko as top student Irai Noika delivers a speech on the first day of high school. After 2 years of secret admiration, I don't want it is the rejection she gets when she picks up enough courage to hand him a love letter. Rejected Kotoko was to give him up. By a twist of fate, Kotoko house collapsed. Her dad and her put up a friend's place, who happened to be Naoki's father, and thus live with Naoki's begin, and Kotoko's love for Naoki rekindles again. Much laughter ensues when scatterbrained Kotoko makes her countless advances supported by Naoki's wacky mother Noriko. On ice old Naoki who hates girls and is a genius at practically everything from studies to sports. Number 1. Nogizaka Haruka no Himasu 2012 Season 2 Episode 28. The genre is comedy, romance, school. Dub No. Nogizaka Haruka no Himasu center around two Ayase and Haruka Nogizaka. Two is seemingly ordinary, but Haruka is attractive, intelligent and rich, which prompts other students to idolize her and even give her French nicknames like Nut Atole, the Silver Star of the Night, and Lumire de Clever, the Shining Princess on the piano. One day, two wanders into the school library in order to return a book and accidentally stumbles upon Haruka's deepest, darkest secret. She is die-hard fan of anime and manga, in other words, a regular otaku, promising Haruka to keep this a secret, to becomes her advisor and confidant of some sort and hangs out with her more, though earning some viciously envious glare from his fellow schoolmates. I hope friend all of you enjoy this video. If you really enjoy this video, please show your love by like and comments, and please if you're new on this channel, subscribe our channel because I'm uploading top 10 new anime list always. Okay friends, thanks.